The years 1650 to 1750 were an age of invention and rapid innovation. Great discoveries were made in science and in music. Musical structures were transformed in the hands of composers like Handel and Bach. This period also saw the rise and rise of purely instrumental music and the birth of what became the modern orchestra. It was an age of transition where music blossomed from being a private affair to a public spectacle. Small wonder that the music of this age of invention is still staggeringly popular in our own 21st century, from the shores of Tristan da Cunha to the concert halls of Beijing. We live in a technological age, so we can identify with what it was like to live in the late 17th century, when innovations were also coming thick and fast. And to understand our music today, we need to go back to a time when many of its now familiar components simply didn't exist. Imagine a time when leaping from this chord to this chord was a painful experience, or from this one to this one. Imagine a time when an oboe and a trumpet struggled to play the same tune together. Imagine a time when no one had thought of stringing together a chain of chords in a pleasing sequence, like the one that begins this song by Keane. What makes so much of the music we enjoy today sound the way it does is a series of discoveries that burst into life in the 17th and early 18th centuries. Laws governing the use of chords, which chords you could use, and what instruments you could play them on all slid into place like the parts of a magical and intricate machine. People of the period were obsessed with the interplay of cog and wheel, the laws of motion and gravity, and the understanding of the dimension of time itself. No wonder it was a period that saw great advances in clockmaking. Listen to the music of this period and you hear the ticking of clocks, the perfectly calibrated whirring and spinning of cogs, the turning of wheels and the to and fro of pendulums. The most striking thing about this age of invention is how the exhilarating speed of scientific investigation was reflected in constant experiment and innovation in music.